In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your data into clear charts in Genspark AI Sheets 2.0. First, open Genspark and sign in to your account. If you haven't been in for a while, make sure you're using the latest version available to you. Once you're in, head over to AI Sheets 2.0 or whichever Sheets workspace is the most up-to-date in your interface. This is where all the data work and visualizations will happen. Next, bring your data into the workspace. You can upload a file or paste it directly. Before you do, take a moment to clean it up. Make sure each column has a clear header. Avoid merged cells and keep numbers as numbers, not text. If you're handling sensitive information, replace it with placeholders. A tidy table now will save you a lot of fixing later. With your data in place, ask Genspark to turn it into charts or graphs. Use a clear prompt such as create a bar chart showing total sales by region, or plot a line chart of monthly signups over the last year. You can also ask for a few options if you want to compare styles. The goal is to let the AI do the heavy lifting while you stay focused on the story the data needs to tell. Review the visual output and select the clearest chart style for your message. As a general guide, choose a bar chart to compare categories, a line chart for trends over time, a scatter plot for relationships between two variables, and use pie charts sparingly for simple part-to-whole views. Pick the one that communicates your point at a glance. Now, refine the visualization. Adjust titles to be specific and informative. Tweak axis labels and units so they're easy to read. Group or filter categories to highlight what matters most, and sort bars or lines in a logical order. If color is used, keep it consistent and accessible, avoiding palettes that are hard to distinguish. You can also add data labels or annotations where a key takeaway needs emphasis, but don't overcrowd the chart. When you're satisfied, save or export the final visualization. Give it a descriptive file name and choose the right format for your use case. Image formats for slides and docs, or a high-quality PDF if you need crisp printing. If your workflow supports it, save a versioned copy so you can return to earlier edits without starting over. And that's it. You've signed in, set up your workspace, prepared your data, generated visuals with AI, selected the clearest chart, fine-tuned the details, and exported a polished result ready to share.